Hello design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to destination for transforming houses into dream homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are exploring one of the most sought-after yet misunderstood styles in the design world. Chic Home Interior Decor. Whether you are looking to refresh a single room or overhaul your entire living space, understanding the nuances of chic can help you create a home that feels both high-end and deeply personal. Let's dive into how you can master this look. At its core, Chic Home Interior Decor is an aesthetic that emphasizes elegance, sophistication, and a sense of effortless style. The word chic originated in the French fashion world, and in the context of interior design, it represents a curated balance between trendy and timeless. It isn't about following every passing fad. Rather, it is about choosing pieces that have a certain je ne sais quoi. A chic home typically feels polished and intentional, often blending clean lines with luxurious textures and a neutral or monochromatic color palette. It is a style that looks expensive because of its restraint and attention to detail. Rather than through flashy or cluttered displays, living in a chic environment offers more than just visual satisfaction. It significantly impacts your daily well-being and mindset. A chic home acts as a sanctuary, providing a serene backdrop that reduces mental clutter and promotes a sense of calm. When your surroundings are organized and aesthetically pleasing, it fosters a feeling of pride and accomplishment, which can boost your overall mood and productivity. Furthermore, chic design is inherently versatile because it relies on high-quality basics and a sophisticated foundation. Your home remains relevant for years, saving you the stress and cost of frequent redecorating. It creates an inviting atmosphere for guests, signaling a level of hospitality and refinement that makes everyone feel comfortable yet inspired. Decorating a chic home requires a less is more philosophy paired with a keen eye for layering. Start by establishing a neutral foundation. Think whites, creams, soft grays, or taupes to create a sense of expansive space. To make the room look professionally designed, focus on the rule of thirds and visual balance. For instance, pair a sleek, modern sofa with a vintage-inspired rug to create a dialogue between old and new. Lighting is perhaps your most powerful tool. Replace standard fixtures with statement chandeliers or architectural floor lamps to add instant drama. Don't forget the power of white space. Leaving areas of your walls or shelves empty allows your chosen decor pieces to breathe and stand out. Finally, ensure your home smells as good as it looks by incorporating luxury candles or diffusers. As a truly chic space engages all the senses. To achieve a truly chic look, you must prioritize quality over quantity and focus on specific key elements. High-quality textiles are essential. Think velvet throw pillows, silk curtains, or a heavy wool rug to add depth and warmth to a neutral room. Metallic accents such as brushed gold, polished chrome, or matte black provide a necessary touch of glam without being overwhelming. Natural materials like marble, light oak, or polished stone ground the space and add an organic, high-end feel. Statement art is another pillar of chic design. Instead of many small pieces, opt for one large, striking canvas that anchors the room. Finally, never underestimate the power of greenery. A single, large-leafed plant, like a fiddle-leaf fig or a sleek vase of fresh lilies, adds life and a vibrant pop of color to a sophisticated interior. Creating a chic home is a journey of refinement and personal expression. It is about choosing what you love and presenting it in a way that feels elevated and harmonious. Remember, your home should be a reflection of your best self-polished.com and full of character. By focusing on quality, balance, and a few key statement pieces, you can turn any space into a chic masterpiece that stands the test of time. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration. We'd love to hear from you which of these chic elements is your favorite. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a chance to elevate your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.